What is gradient? What is slope of a line? Welcome back. Today we are going to answer those questions. Gradient of a line, this is the steepness of the line. Slope of a line is given by change in y to the change in x. We are going to see that with the example below. The question says, find the gradient of the line joining points C 2,7 and D 6,1. The gradient of a line is usually given by m. This is equal to change in y over change in x. Gradient m, this is equal to y2 take away y1 over x2 take away x1. They have given to us 2 point C, which is 2,7, and point D, which is 6,1. We need slope of line CD. I'm going to call point C as x1, y1, and point D, I'm going to call it as x2, y2. As we said, slope is equal to y2 take away y1, that is change in y, over x2 take away x1, that is change in x. So our slope m is equal to y2 is 1 take away y1, which is 7, over x2, which is 6, take away x1, which is 2. Our slope m is equal to 1 minus 7, we get minus 6 over 6 minus 2, we get 4. We can simplify this by 2, we got 3, but it's negative. By 2, we got 2 over 2. So we get our slope, that is m is equal to minus 3 over 2. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on coordinate geometry, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.